Now let us understand why version control systems are needed, or what is the purpose of version control systems. First one is track changes over a time. We want to track the changes to the different files in your software, right? Version control tools keep a record of every change made to a file, allowing developers to track and review the changes over a time. This helps in understanding who made which changes and why. If an issue arises, developers can also easily go back to the previous version. Another reason is collaboration. When a multiple team members work on a same project, version control tool allow everyone to work on different parts of the code without overwriting each other's work. They merge the changes from different team members and manage the conflict if two people change the same part of the file, right? We can manage that as well using this version control tools if there is any conflict when the two people are making the changes to the same part of the file. Another purpose, reverting to previous versions. If a bug or issue is introduced, version control tool allow you to revert to an earlier version of the code where things were working properly. This avoids the need to manually undo the changes, saving time and effort. Another purpose of version control system is to backup and safety. All versions of the file are stored in the version control system, acting as a backup. Even if files are accidentally deleted or corrupted, the version control system can recover older versions, ensuring no work is lost. Another purpose is managing multiple versions. For a project that have multiple different versions like a software release, version control tool help to manage these branches. You can work on different features or bug fixes in separate branches and merge them into a main project when you complete fixing those issues. Another purpose is accountability. Version control tools provide a clear history of who made what changes and when. This increases the accountability and transparency, making it easier to track the contribution of individual members. Another purpose is facilitating code reviews. Changes made to the file can easily be reviewed using version control tools. Teams can review the code before accepting it into the main project, ensuring that quality of the work is high and does not introduce new issues. Another purpose of version control systems is supporting continuous integration and delivery. In modern development workflows, version control system is a critical component of continuous integration and delivery pipeline, helping to automate testing and deployment. In short, the purpose of version control system is to provide a robust and reliable way to manage the changes to the project, especially when multiple people are involved in ensuring the project stability, collaboration, and accountability. These are the reasons why version control tool is needed, or the purpose of the version control systems. Thank you for watching.